हेलो, नमस्कार। इस समय मैं अपने डॉग को लेके बाहर आई हूँ और सोचा क्यों नहीं आपको थोड़ा सा यहाँ का नज़ारा दिखाऊँ जहाँ पे मैं रहती हूँ। आई लिव इन अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस एंड राइट नाउ इट्स द टाइम फॉर सनसेट of the place. My house is nearby this forest where the elegant, majestic deodaras they surround the vicinity of the area. So I would continue with my vlog which I had made how to wear pattu. Pattu is a traditional attire which is born in Kullu, district Kullu of Himachal Pradesh, and it has been worn by the people of Kullu from time immemorial. It's a speciality of Kullu district, this attire, and it has been worn by the women folk of Kullu district. Particularly, it is a woolen type of attire which is used to keep the body warm, and the men folk they wear some other dresses such as loya or coat and sutanu. The females they wear pattu and they cover their head with a headgear which is called as dhatu. It is also called as thipu in some of the areas of Shimla and as well as Kullu. Thipu is particularly a word which is used in Kullu, and moreover, dhatu it is used in Kullu as well as in district Shimla, where the areas which are joining to Kullu. The pattu itself it has kind of different type of pattus are born, and they are in different colors. Certain vibrant colors are also born, and particularly cream color and white color that is born by the females in auspicious occasions such as certain rituals during the weddings or some puja, some havans. They wear white or cream colored pattus, while other colors also such as chitra, dabby pattu is something like this. The one I am wearing the stall which is also from Kullu, I can show you. So dabby pattu, chitra pattu is a mixture of black and white and certain vibrant colors like blue, green. It comes in numerous colors, and moreover it has different certain veils, or let's say certain designs which are born on the border, which are woven on the border, and these are called as ek phull, do phull, teen phull types, like the one you can see here. It is ek phull. This one is ek phull. If had been two rows of these pattis on the border, there are two phull and three phull, do phull, teen phull types. And let's see how we wear it. I'll just share. Pattu is worn by Kullu people, and it's approximately 4 meters long, and it is approximately 48 to 52 inches in length, and more than a longer shirt you can say. And you wrap it around or you drape it around the way it is being shown, and then you tuck it or hold the two corners with the help of pin, special type of pin which is of silver, and connected by there are two pins connected by means of a silver chain which is called as Boomni. In older times, the Boomni it was a very simple type of pins connected by simple type of chains, but as the time passed, its place has been taken by more elaborate, intricate designs. That it is no longer a chain. People wear it in form of chain also. Yet some people they wear it in form of more complicated designs, which is actually the replacement of chandrahar. Earlier, people used to wear chandrahar, which was a huge necklace of silver, and that has been replaced now in the Boomni designs. And I'll just show you how these look like in the next video. And moreover, this the type of pattu which is being the pattu is secured with the help of Boomni on both the sides of the shoulders, and ultimately the pattu is tied up with the help of a tape or any cloth. It can be a muffler or it can be any cloth which is called as gachi in local language, and it is tied up at the waist level, and then it is secured properly. The pattu which is being shown here, it is one full pattu, whereas many people they wear two full. This is the chitra pattu which is being shown, and the one white pattu, it is also called as Sheta Potu. And here the pattu is done, and then you leave one of the corner on upper side behind the back, and then you match the borders at the back side, and here the pattu is ready. Pattu is, you are ready to go. So this was all about the pattu, and in some other video I'll let you know how the weaving of pattu is done, which looms are used for weaving of pattu, and all that we'll talk about in other video. I'll show you the Boomnis now, simple one as well as the one which is not exactly the replacement of Chandrahar, but it is if you wear that Boomni, I don't think you need, in modern days you don't use the Chandrahar. This is the traditional Boomni, whereas this one is the modern one, replacement of kind of Chandrahar. This is the Kalgi, which is worn over the cap, and caps are mainly worn by the males. I acknowledge the contribution of Nabhanya, Lavanya and Nirmanyu as models and camera person. Thank you so much for making this video possible. Thank you all for watching. Keep watching. How did you like the video? Please comment, like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thanks.